Welcome to Let's Talk Respect and Equality for All. I'm Alisa.
And I'm Ed Marie. Today, we're going to talk about something very important, discrimination against race and sensitivity to disabilities.
Yes, these two topics are close to our hearts. Why? Because we see it happening around us, and we believe everyone deserves to be treated fairly and with kindness.
Let's start with racial discrimination. This happens when people are treated unfairly because of their skin color, accent, culture, or background.
For example, calling someone names because of their race or saying they don't belong. That's discrimination. It hurts and fair.
Sometimes, people are not hired for a job or treated badly in school because of their race. This is wrong. We are all equal. No race is better than another.
We should celebrate our differences, not use it to hurt others. Our skins may be different, but our hearts are the same.
Now, let's talk about being sensitive to people with disabilities. This means understanding and respecting those who may walk, talk, hear, or think differently.
Some people may use wheelchairs, but some may have trouble hearing or seeing. Others may find it hard to learn quickly, but that doesn't mean they can do great things.
True. Instead of laughing at them or ignoring them, we should support, help, and be kind.
Even simple things like opening a door, speaking gently, or being patient can show that we are there.
And never call them names because their disability as a joke. That's not funny. It's hurtful.
So, what do we all do? Let's speak up when we see someone being bullied or treated unfairly. Let's be voice of kindness.
Let's teach others to respect difference, whether it's about race, disability, gender, or belief. Will have a role to play in making this world better.
To everyone listening, we challenge you today. Be kind, be respect, be fair. Because we are all human. We all deserve love and acceptance.
That's right. Alisa, let's end hate and start understanding. Let's choose to care.
Thank you so much for your listening us today.
This has been Let's Talk Respect and Equality for All.